In this video I'm going to show you how to fix the error lights flashing on your Canon Pixma MG3600 series printer. So if we go to the printer display panel, we can see there is an error light flashing, also the power light is flashing. So that means there is an error in the printer and we have to fix it. So there are a few things to check. Make sure you just check the ink system, like if there is any paper jam or if your ink cartridge has any kind of problem. So if we look inside, we can see there is no paper jam, and also the ink system is good, but I'm still going to just reinstall it. So take it out, slide it in and close the lock. Take out the black one, slide it back and close. Now close the ink chamber. Now switch off the printer. Once the power light is off, now we restart it again. Wait for the printer to start and see if that fixed the error light. So we can see there is no error light now. So this way we can fix the error light in this printer. Thanks for watching.